Trading is one of the most difficult skills I've tried to learn. I'm sure that a lot of persons can relate to that. Just in case you didn't read the bio and just happened to stumble across this channel, let me give you a quick intro. Now, welcome to Markets by Lee, where the purpose of this channel is to share my journey with you as I work to refine a trading model and hopefully become a profitable trader, one candlestick at a time. Now you might be thinking, here goes the next YouTube channel that comes trying to teach me something about trading. And you are right. I might teach you something along the way, but by no means am I a trading guru. I definitely don't know everything there is about the market. The point of this channel is really for me to share my journey, a real one where I'm going to be documenting my process, learn from the mistakes, fingers crossed, and hopefully by the end, build something that actually works. Again, no, I'm not here to sell you anything, and I never will be. I am just looking for like minded people to, of course, share their ideas, and maybe, just maybe, we all can grow together. Now, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's get started, one candlestick at a time.